Hi there, this is Aditya Karadkar and welcome to the Brainstorm Codings. In the last video, I told you about embedding the images on the web page. So this is how we use the image tag to embed the images. This is the source attribute we use for defining the path for the image. This is the width and height attributes. This is the title attribute, and this is the alternate text. And this is how the image appears on the web page. So in this video, we'll be talking about embedding audio files on the web page. So the audio files are one of the media we can embed on the web page. And let's imagine that you're building a website on which a user can come and he can search for the songs and he can download all those songs which he like. So for that kind of website, you need to have some audio content on your website. You need to have some audio files on the web page so user can play those songs, or he can pause those songs, or he can make it mute. So for embedding the audio files, we use the audio tag we have in HTML5. This is the audio tag we have, and it's not a self-closing tag. We have a pair of tags, which is this is the opening audio tag, and this is the closing audio tag. And just like we use the source attribute in image for defining the path, for giving the path, which can be a relative or an absolute path, uh, we can give a path for the audio file we have in our system. So let's use this source attribute, and I have this audio file here, which is a song takeover. And let me copy the name of this file. Let me paste it here and save the file. Go to the browser and let's see what we get. um, well, we don't have anything. Can you guess what happened here? Well, what's the mistake we have made? Do you find anything wrong with it? Well, we haven't used the extension for the audio file. In my case, it's an mp3 file, and this is the extension for we use for the audio files, and it might be an awk file, but this is the mp3 file we have. And let's see, let's save this file. Still we don't have anything. So for having some controls on the web page, for controlling the audio we have on the web page, we have another attribute which we can use with the audio tag. And this attribute is controls attribute, and you don't need to assign any value, just like we do with the other attributes. Just use this attribute like this. And what this controls attribute is used for, it will give us some controls to play the song or to pause the song, or to seek through that audio bar, or we can even make the song muted. So let's save this file, go to the web page, refresh the page, and we have these controls where we can play the song, we can mute the song, or we can change the volume. We can seek through this. You can see that this is changing. I have played the song, and now the song is paused. So this is what we get with the controls attribute. The audio tag without the controls attribute is of no use. So you have to have this controls attribute with each audio tag. We have another attribute. Let's see. If you refresh the page, we can see that this file, this song, is not muted. It's unmute by default. When we refresh the page, we get this unmute. So what if we want to make this muted by default? For that purpose, we have another attribute which is named as muted. If we use this attribute and save the file, refresh the page, we can see that the song is muted now by default. So this is the use of this muted attribute. And we have another attribute which is named as loop. So if you are familiar with the programming languages, then you probably know about the loops. But still, I'll tell you about this. When we use the loop attribute, uh, this will again start the song after finishing it. I mean, if the song is finished, it will start from the beginning again. You don't need to play that song again, or you don't need to click on that play button to play that song. It will automatically start playing. So let's save this file, refresh the page. I have played the song. Let me drag it to an end. And after the finishing this song, it will start automatically. And you can see this song is started playing automatically, and I didn't do anything. Well, this loop attribute have done this. And you can see that we are using this closing tag, but we are not putting any code in this, just like we have put this audio tag between the opening and closing body tags. So what's the use of this closing tag if you're not going to put any code between this? Well, we can put some code between these, and we have another tag for this, which is called as the source tag, and which is a self-closing tag. uh, you know we can define this source attribute in this source tag. So we don't need to have the source attribute in the audio tag. We can do this here. And if I save the file, we're gonna get the same results, and we have this here now. And you can put as many source tags as you want. So this is the use of audio tag. This is how we embed the audio files on the web page, and this is going to be really useful for you if you're going to be making a website, uh, you know, for which you need some audio files on the web page. So that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one.